Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be redrawing the line problem displayed at the top right corner of the screen. So the first thing, you can see a square of 70mm side. So we'll draw the center line first. So here are the center lines. We'll draw this. The square here is 70mm. The length of each side of the square is 70mm. So we'll measure 70mm. Let me use this. We'll measure 70. But since we are going to mark it from the center, we'll measure half of 70, which is 35. Then we'll put it at the center. Then we'll join them. When we are drawing it first, we'll use thin lines. Then at the end, we can come and thicken it. Thicken the main outline. So here is the first outline. So then from the diagram shown above here, you can see that we'll put our compass here and open the radius to the center and draw it. Likewise here, and likewise here. So we'll draw it from all the four edges. So we'll put the compass here. Likewise from here. At the end, we can thicken it. So now we are going to first get the square, the inner square here, before we move outside and join here to here, here to here. So to get the inner square, we need to get the diagonal. We'll take our 45 degrees set square. We'll put it here at the center. Then we'll draw a line. Then the inner square, the length of each of the side is 30 millimeters. So from here to here will be what? Half of 30, which is 15. So here will be 15, here will be 15. So it will give us 30. So we'll measure 15. So this is 15. We'll draw it like this. Then we'll take the same, then we'll join to this and this center lines. So we have gotten the inner square. Then we'll join here to here. And you notice that from the I notice that I did not cross this part in the diagram. So we'll not allow it to cross it. Then we'll join here also. So now here it is. We have successfully redrawn the diagram to the right dimensions. So now we'll tick in this outline and we'll put the dimensions. So here is it. So here is it. Here's the completed line problem. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.